Whilst working late one night on his latest batch of home brew, mild-mannered meteorologist Warren Parks discovered a yeast infection had infiltrated his infusing amber fluid.
Oh no, over-fermentation.
Which can only result in... Drenched in the badly brewed beverage, our hero forecasts a change.
Energy draining, apathy building, mullet growing.
Then, rising from the settled suds was the man the world needs. Bloke Man.
But I don't work Sundays or me day off.
Excuse me, are you Bloke Man?
No.
Oh, don't be modest, you are Bloke Man.
Yeah, righto, that's me name. Don't wear it out.
I knew it! Are you here at the school to give the kids an inspiring speech?
No, it's just the quickest route between the bottle shop and the Tirana.
Bloke Man, you're wicked. I don't suppose while you're here you'd mind giving my Kevin a talk about drugs.
Hello, cold beer. Jesus, you people are selfish.
Oh, come on, please.
Oh, come on, lady. It's me freaking day off.
Please.
Yeah, all right. Listen up. Never take drugs, all right? That'd be stealing. Always pay for them. And never pay for them with sex, because you could end up with a nasty rash. And when you're buying gear, mate, make sure it's not all seeds and stems, okay? Better still, get yourself a good hydroponic kit and grow your own. That way you won't be hitting your old girl up for drug money all the time. And if you can sell enough of this, you'll be able to get yourself some cocaine. But take that in moderation, because that stuff can make a bloke impotent. And the Sheilas don't like that, do they, Mum?
Thanks, Bloke Man.
No worries, mate. There you go. Oh, one more thing, Kevin. Stay away from ketamine. That's an animal tranquilizer. It's bad shit, not good for little boys. Take it from me. See you later, Mum.